Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Alexander Lexter Jules nagbabalik para sa inyong updated Maymay Entrata. Nako, Maymay Entrata, you can catch her sa MTV Jamming, MTV Asia YouTube channel, at makikita nyo dito ang full version ng Pwede Ba sa MTV Jamming. Kinanta ito ni Maymay lately lang po mga kaibigan, and narito po siya. Pinapakilala niya ang kanta, and may mga sasabihin pa si Inday Meridel Maymay Entrata about this Jamming, mga kaibigan. Let's go, Maymay, let's do it.
So, yung story ng kantang ito ay yung kung paano po nag-met po yung dalawang tao, yung boy at saka yung girl, kung paano sila nagkita sa kung saan po, somewhere po na where people are dancing, like club po, or kaya naman sa fiesta where people are gathering, then dancing. So it's like a boy asking for a girl to dance with him, because this boy was so amused by her confidence.
Di mo mapigilang maloka sa'kin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang ganda ko. Ganda ko.
Paano ba ako mag-flirt sa kanya? Nakakatawa. So, siguro po, by looking at him, tapos nangungusap yung mga mata, charot, ganon. Tapos, make him feel my presence po. Tapos, syempre, alam mo yun, madala ka dun sa vibe, hanggang sa, ayun na. Yun na po yun. Okay, best pick-up line. Kung wari, nasa club tayo. Tugs. Oh, hey! You look familiar! Oh, you say why? You say... Oh, because, you look... Oh my God! You look mine? I'm sorry, it's very corny. It means I don't, I'm not expert to that pick-up lines and flirty with people. It's not my thing po. Dancing, memorable po. Siguro, first dancing with sa province namin, we called it disco in our barangay. It's like a cheap club in our when there's fiesta po, my family and other neighbors were gathering to dance, and that was memorable because we're complete pa, my lola and my lola are there, and all my cousins and my siblings po. It's good to be back with that memories. We're so happy. But I'm sad na. Kasi I remember it eh. I want to go back to that moment. So just so you know guys, Pwede Ba was written, produced, and recorded by Miss Victoria, and it was released po in the year 2000. So, kaya I'm so happy po and very honored that Miss Victoria trusted me to have my own version po of Pwede Ba. Thank you po, Miss Victoria, kasi napakaganda ng kanta nyo, at hindi lang yon, ang daming, itong kantang Pwede Ba po ay nag-gain po ng maraming awards na hindi ko maisa-isa sa inyo sa sobrang dami po. Kaya maraming salamat po, Miss Victoria.
So yun po ang full video ng Jamming ni Maymay Entrata sa MTV Asia. On the flirting side, nako Maymay, the flirting side, siguro ang gagawin mo doon ay tanungin mo siya kung do you want to be my dance partner. Parang sigurong ganun. Kasi nga, diba, nasa dance kayo. Pero, yes, anyways, so, highways, yan po ang latest kay Mema Entrata. Busy pala siya nung mga panahong hindi natin siya nakita sa Instagram. Ay meron pala siyang Batangas event. And then, I'm not sure if Batangas kasi sabi ni Pat nasa Pangasinan ba sila nun. And I'm not sure where they were that time. Pero yes, mga kaibigan, and this, syempre, itong pag-record ng MTV Asia Jam ni Mema Entrata, and that is why hindi natin siya nakita for how many days na active sa Instagram and TikTok. Busy pala talaga si Marydel Mema Entrata. So yes, mga kaibigan, yan ang ating pinaka-latest update of Marydel Mema Entrata. And yeah, I wanna bring more para mabasa ninyo at marinig ninyo. Pero yes, that's going to be later na po, mga kaibigan.
Oh baby, ang lakas ng iyong dating, kahit di ka lasing, malakas loob pa rin. Oh baby, ang kapal ng iyong mukha, pero ako'y natutuwa dahil ang gwapo-gwapo mo. At sasabihin sa'yo, pwede ba makisayaw sa'yo? Pwede ba makisayaw sa'yo? Pigilang maloka sa'kin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang ganda ko. Yung ganda-ganda ko. Marami siyang inggitera, mga laitera, o kahit ano pang sabihin.